This Chrome extension is going to change your life when it comes to filling forms. Check this out. I've got all of this information and I want to fill this entire form. So I literally just click on the Chrome extension. I'm not sure if you can see it. And then I click on autofill form. What you're about to see is freaking crazy. You can literally see this little zippy clip icon filling in the form like magic. It's literally going one field at a time, filling the form perfectly according to specification. Absolutely incredible. It looks like a freaking game. I don't know what I'm seeing. I feel like I'm living in the future. Absolutely incredible. Now the data I've given it doesn't have to be it can be completely random. It can be taken from an email in an unorganized, unstructured information, and you can literally use, let's say you have information that's not organized. Let me show you what I mean by not organized. Let's say I take, for example, see, this is somewhat organized, but if I say my name is Mr. Daniel Blob, yeah? So that's unstructured data. I mean, it's not data that's organized. So if I go right back here and then I click the Chrome extension and then click on autofill, it's not going to worry about my name is. It's just going to put Mr. Daniel Blob. You see what I mean? Now, the best part about this Chrome extension, this AI form filling Chrome extension, is that you can customize it for any page of the internet. So let's say your site is a bit confusing and you want perhaps the first name to be capitalized and the last name to, let's say, be in Chinese. So you can click on customize and put an instructions for this page. So say first name should be always capitalized and last name should always be translated to Chinese, and then you do a save rule, and that's it. From now on, if I refresh this page, what you're going to see, if I take the exact same data, my name is Daniel Blob, and then I click on the Chrome extension, you'll see it honors this new customization. Now it's going to make sure the name is capitalized and the surname is in Chinese. So basically it lets you customize for any page of the internet. Now if I click on customize again, you'll notice that you can literally have a rule for this specific URL pattern. Now if I want it to always be on this form of the internet on any page, so I just remove this and it will work on any page of the internet that contains this inside it. Now this is one of my favorite things, autofill on extension click. When you switch this on, this is where automation starts working. What it is when you click the extension, it will start filling the form. So let's say I refresh the page one last time, guys, and I just click the extension, it will automatically fill the form based on the information that I have set. So you can see it's filling automatically just because I clicked the extension. Now it gets even better than that. Now that it's filled the form correctly, it comes up with this little thing over here now next to the title. So if I refresh the page now, I don't even have to click anything and it will literally fill the form with clipboard data. But that will only occur if I click the settings icon and autofill on load. So it fills immediately the form when the page loads. What that means is whenever it notices this form, it will just start filling the form. Basically, the thing about this extension, it's really trying to save you time. It's trying to make it that whatever's on your clipboard, whenever this form appears, it will fill this form according to the specific prompt for this page. And if that confuses you, forgive me, but some of the most confusing things in life make a lot of people a lot of money. And if you want to get to the point where you can just refresh the page and it will just fill the form with your specific settings from clipboard data, this is the extension for you. It's called ZippyFill. If you need the link to this, just type link in the description and I'll send it to you. It's the best Chrome extension. It works perfectly every time. And let me just finish this video with one more thing. I'm just going to refresh the page, but this time with all the information that came from this text file. And it's just fun to watch, to be honest with you. Isn't it one of the funnest things to watch this thing fill forms? Absolutely enjoyable. You can see it working and it just works every time successfully, unlike some other form fillers which sadly just don't have the power that this one has. Absolutely insane, uses AI technology. Alright, see you in the next video and bye for now. I know you don't want me to stop the video at this moment, but what can I do?